And welcome back to the channel, and have we got a special treat for you today. This is Fred Garcia's 1968 Plymouth Road Runner, and it is perfect. So stay tuned, take a listen. Here is the motor, and here goes a ride along. All right, and today's car of the week is Fred's 1968 Road Runner. And when we say it's perfect, it is, I mean, perfect. So take a look at the 383. It looks kind of stock. You got the LED headlights. And let's jump on in, go for a ride, and you get to meet Fred Garcia. So. And that's Fred right there. That's everybody saying hi to him over there. So this is a good friend. And check out this interior. And this time we started the video back in the service drive, so we wouldn't get stricken down for any kind of a copyright infringement. And I cannot believe I'm getting to ride in this car either. First time we saw it, we were hosting a Houston MOPAR Connection hot rod show here at the dealership, and it is really pretty and clean. Is it 4-speed manual?
4-speed manual, yeah.
So Fred, tell us a little bit about the car. Okay, you were telling me earlier that you got it when you were 17.
Exactly. I was fortunate enough to buy the car from my neighbor who lived right across the street from us, and I bought it in 1975, my senior year in high school, and then I've kept it all these years.
Man, it just looks like you've done a lot of work to it. The interior's perfect, and like I was telling you, we've had a lot of people bringing cars over to the dealership, and they're really clean, but this is just on a completely different level. Wow, it rides so perfectly too. So it has the factory 383. Have you done anything to the motor?
The motor was beefed up. It's the original engine, except that I did some modifications to the cam, of course. Did some lightweight pistons, and of course put some headers, a wind intake, and 770 Holly.
Man, and you had it parked here. We had it here for roughly a week, and then you went in there, you fired it up, and it just started right up.
Yeah, it did.
It just right up like a new car.
The car rides really well. It drives well.
You beefed up the suspension. I see you've got the Willwood brakes, just in the front and rear. And there's somebody there freaking out on the car. Now, if you look at the very front, there's little bitty turn signals. You see that? On both sides. And you were showing me earlier, you had the that hidden radio. So you've got the factory radio here, and if you look down here,
secret audio.
Secret audio. So you still have to get the original lines inside the vehicle. Doesn't ruin it. Doesn't look funky. Doesn't look out of place. You just close it right back up, and it looks cool. See, you can't ever tell. And check out once again the interior. It is just really perfect. Headliner. And Fred works in the aero industry. You work on jets for a living?
That's correct. I manage 2 airplanes, and very fortunate to do that. It's for a local company here in Houston, of course. But yeah, I've been very blessed to work on airplanes and also work on classic cars.
And that's who did the interior as well? Somebody you knew, I guess, related in the business?
Exactly. It was somebody that I used for opening the airplanes for the interior.
Yeah, I was telling you earlier, it smells like a brand new baseball glove in here. Oh my. Man, it's just all the torque. The torque is just big. I'm hoping I'm holding the video steady because it's bouncing around. It's just pushes me around in the seat. Man, I really appreciate the ride. When we saw it here, and with Houston MOPAR Connection, there were a bunch of really cool cars. And then you pulled up, and a lot of the guys were talking about, man, have you seen the Road Runner outside? It's a 68, right?
68 Road Runner.
Okay, 68. So I got it right. Here's a little Road Runner logo. And on the dash, and you can't see it, but all the dash has been redone, and it even has the VIN. You can see the reflection of the VIN number in the glass. All the glass has been replaced, so it looks, it's new. You know, it's not, it doesn't look new, it is new. And it just rides so well. Okay, now here we are back. We paused it for just a second. We're at a red light, and here we go. Time to head back to the dealership. They just don't sound like that anymore. What a great day once again. So anyway, you guys know anybody who's got a cool MOPAR, any kind of cool eclectic car, by all means message me, let us know. Always hit the subscribe and like button, and follow it and share it, so everybody else can see how badass this car is. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later.
We'd like to thank our sponsor, Mac Haik Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram, for hosting the Mac Haik 45 Car of the Week, and for being a sponsor on the Outlaw Dave radio program, 950 KPRC. Thank you.